Welcome with another video of Type with Me. In this video I will discuss how interfaces work within TypeScript. So first of all, we can declare a variable mySize, and it has a width of type number and a height of type number. So now we can do the same with interfaces. So we declare here an interface size, and this has a width, a height, and then we can do a declaration of the variable mySize as of type size. Interfaces have zero runtime JavaScript impact. It just helps to structurize our variables, right? So I'm now going to show you another example. So imagine that we have the following code, point with X and Y. So now we can here do interface point Z as a number. I know, it's very strange, right? We have already an interface point, and then we can declare another interface point. So what will the result be, right? So now I can declare here a variable p of type point. And then here we can say p dot x equals 0, p dot y equals 1, and p dot z equals 1. So that's possible because interfaces in TypeScript are open-ended. Another possible way to do this is as follows. We can, for example, say that we have an interface (3D point), 3-dimensional point, right? Then we can here say extend 3D point, and this will work too. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a little bit more about interfaces within TypeScript.